Hi guys, so today I'm going to try and solve this problem on ProjectEuler.com. A palindromic number reads the same both ways. The largest palindrome made from two products of two-digit numbers is 9009, which is 91 times 99. Find the largest palindrome from the product of two three-digit numbers. Okay, so let's go into here. And I am just going to add a new class or new item class, and I'm just going to call it the palindromic, I think it said, number. I mean, I could be entirely wrong with this, but palindromic number, add. And with the same with all of these, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly just do a public void called execute. I can't spell execute, and this is basically going to run our entire program. First things first, we need to figure out what two three-digit numbers we are going to use. So of course we have the range of 100 all the way up to 999. So let's do this in a bit. Here's my first thought. We'll do a couple of for loops. 1 equals 100, I is less than 1000, I plus, so this is going to loop for all our numbers. Then we are going to do for int I, or int x is equal to, I mean, we could probably start at, 100. We could start at the next one up, because if we do 100, so if we start x equals I, x is less than 1000 in and of itself, and then we do x plus, just simply because this one will do 100 times 100, which means on the next one it'll be 101 times 101. We don't need to do 100 times 101. I mean, we don't need to do 101 times 100 because we'll have already done it in the previous loop. So that's going to reduce how many calculations we need to do. So what we do then is we are simply going to go an integer product is equal to I times by x. So we've now got our product. I can't spell product. Okay. So here we've got our product. Now we need to find out if this product is palindromic or not. So let's just go here. I'm just going to say end of execute, just so I can see where all my different functions end. On this one, this is just going to be a private bool, which I'm going to say is palindromic. And it's going to take in an integer number, and there we go. Okay, it's complaining that it's not returning a value, so we're just going to quickly do a boolean which is called is palindromic, which by default we'll just set to false because why not, and then in the end we'll just return is palindromic. Bingo. Okay, so that got rid of our error message there. So the first thing that we actually need to do is we'll need to store it into a string so that we can actually flip it and check. And I know that sounds really sort of a bit stupid, but there's no easy way to just flip an integer. So I'm going to call string our number is equal to the number dot, or is that, yeah, toString. Bingo. There we go. Now what we can do is we can say is palindromic is equal, or let's do it this way instead. So we've got if our number is equal to our number dot revert. I know there's a way to reverse it. There's a nice, easy way to reverse it somewhere in here. And I just looked it up. It turns out there is no easy way to actually check to see if it's reversed. Okay, so I'm just going to create another string, which I'm going to call reversed, which is going to be equal to array.reverse, which is going to be our number dot to char array, like that. What's this complaint? Cannot convert from void to string. Does this require a second argument? Versus the sequence in an entire one-dimensional. Oh, okay, right. So, in which case we'll go var our array is equal to our number dot to char array. There we go. And then we will do array dot reverse our array, and then we will do another string, which I'm going to call reversed is equal to our array dot to string. Now, if our number is equal to let's see. If our number is equal to reversed, there we go. Couldn't find my own variable name there. Then we will actually return true. Else we will return false. There you go. And we actually don't need this variable at all, like, because every path returns a value now. I just put that there to get rid of our error message before. Okay. So, bingo. So what we can do now is try and see if this is true. So what we do is, for this, we times our product, and then we say, if is palindromic our product, then what we will do is, I'm just going to quickly store it here, so an integer value, which I call highest palindrome. I know it's not palindrome, but palindromic. You know, you get the gist. By default, it's going to be equal to 0. Is palindromic, then the highest, if the product is larger than the highest palindrome, then we set the highest palindrome equal to the product. Bingo! Woo! So, in theory, this should work nicely, and we should be able to do it. I think I've got this right. Find the largest palindrome made of 2 3-digit numbers. Bingo! So let's just check in to see if it's highest. So check if higher. This is pretty self-explanatory. Check if it's palindromic. This is just making sure we get through all of our 3-digit numbers on both. This will hopefully work. What I am going to quickly do is I'm just going to put in a breakpoint here, just simply because I'm not 100% sure on this. I just want to see if this actually works. So, as always, we go into here, and I need to quickly make this into a static, public, static void execute. Bingo. So, in here we go, palindromic number dot execute. Woo. So, save this. If I just run this, it should eventually just get to a breakpoint, and errors. Object reference of non-static property. Okay, that's my fault. Let's go here. Private static bool. Bingo. There we go. No problems now. whatsoever. I just realized I haven't actually ever actually printed out our endpoint. So just console write line, the highest palindrome equals, and we're just going to plus the highest palindrome onto the end, like so. Bingo. And now if we run this, we should still hit that breakpoint that we set. Okay, so our number is 10,000. Our reversed is just system.char. Okay, so where is just system.char? Char is, yeah, I don't think that's worked. I don't think that's ever gonna work. Well, actually, easy way to check, if we just stop this for a second. Instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to quickly make this public, like so. And I'm just going to go into program, and we can actually check this now. So if we go palindromic number dot is palindromic, and I'm going to pass it in like 1001, like so. And basically, let's just write this out to the console as well, just so we can see what it returns. Because if this returns false, then we know we have an issue. So, just quickly run this, and it's returning false. So, we know this isn't working now, which means string reversed equals, let's just say this, and then I'll just do a quick for each char C in our array, basically reversed plus equals C, and that should just basically put our array into this, which means now when we run this, there we go, true, bingo. So that's fixed that, and that means that we should now be able to just get rid of this, and we should just be able to execute this previous line, and this should now give us a good, perfectly fine answer. Largest palindrome is 906609. Okay, I'm just going to pull this out to the one side. Let's go over to ProjectEuler. And here we have 906609 is what our program got. Our confirmation code is 90116. And we will check. And the answer is correct. Hey, bingo. Okay. I'm happy with that. Yeah. Yeah, anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. If you have any improvements on this program, please feel free to put it down in the comments, or even just pull this from the GitHub and make a push request, and I am happy to learn from you guys just as much as you guys are happy to sort of watch me do this. So, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.